Thanks, everybody. Glad to have you here at the car show. My name's Ron Boatwright, and we just have a ton of cars here that are just unbelievable again this year. So thanks for coming, and if you didn't get here this year, make it next year for real. Thanks. Bye.
Everybody, we're out here for Steve McQueen Car Show. We're excited and happy that we can be here for this great event. We're going to keep raising money for the kids of Boys Republic. Love it! Woo-woo!
I've already got my tickets. Hopefully I'm a winner. But we're going to see it.
Over that way?
I think so, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. All right, we're good.
Joe does. Who owns
The year.
Everybody was here. Everybody got it.
0, 1, 8, 0. All right, everybody, good to see you. We're ready to go. Yeah.
I'm ready.
You go, Ron.
Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for all your work today. Also, thank you for all the volunteers that are out here working hard to make sure this event comes off and makes our spectators happy. We appreciate your support by coming out here and supporting the Boys and the Girls Republic. That's why we're here, to help them. If you weren't here last night at the dinner, you really missed a great event, especially with the young man who spoke about the benefit of coming to school here and how it changed his life. And he's not the only one. There's over 30,000 boys that have gone through this school that their lives have been changed by the good instruction and the staff that's here. Most of the staff that works at this school have been here over 20 years. I mean, many of the students have come back to serve as staff. So it should tell you a little bit about the employment here. They do a wonderful job. Thank you again for being here.
So we're going to do that as soon as
So let's get a good photo.
Hi, my name is Duffy Blau. I work at Boys Republic. This car is a 2019 model. Chad McQueen cut a deal with Ford. They only made 300 of them, and I got one of them. So it's got a special car because it's got an 850 horsepower. It's got a Steve McQueen supercharger on the engine. It's got 6 gears. It's got fat tires. I've taken it to 152 so far. I want to take it to 200 miles an hour, but not yet. That's why the car is special. They only made 300 of them, and I own one of them.
Sarah's dealing with people.
Yeah, Sarah.
Hello, my name's Guy Gray. I'm a sculptor from Indianapolis, Beech Grove, Indiana, where Steve McQueen was born, and we are a project to honor his legacy. And we've sculpted the face to show that we're serious about it, and we're looking for help so we can get possibly a museum in his name, as James Dean has one. So we think Steve McQueen deserves one. And we're real excited to be here, and we really hope everybody supports Boys Republic, and we're going to also.
Hi, this is my wife and I, 1994 supercharged 4Runner. My name is Matt. built it for overlanding, camping out in the middle of nowhere, tent, and all the gear that we need to go out for 3 or 4 days and just disappear. I'll show you under the hood. This engine that we're using here is a 3.4 liter, 24 valve supercharged V6 from Toyota. It's mated to a Land Cruiser transmission with locking differentials on both front and the rear to help us get in and out of where we want to go. Listen to a story from this wonderful lady. Thanks for coming.
Thank you very much.